How are expert witnesses qualified to testify in court? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. Expert witnesses fill in those gaps with their specialized knowledge. But how do they get the right to speak in court? Let's find out. Expert witnesses are qualified through a process that proves they have the right skills, experience, education, or training related to the case. This is important because their job is to help the judge or jury understand complex information. They need to be credible and relevant. The process starts with the expert showing their credentials. This includes degrees from colleges or universities, professional licenses, or certifications. For example, a medical expert might have a medical degree and board certifications. An engineer could have a professional engineering license and years of work experience. These credentials show they know their field well and have practical experience. Next, the court conducts a questioning process called Voir. During this, lawyers and sometimes the judge ask the expert questions about their background. The goal is to verify that the expert's experience and knowledge match the topics they will discuss. The court checks if the expert's background is directly related to the case. The rules of evidence, especially Rule 702 of the Federal Rules of Evidence, guide this process. The court looks for main things. First, the expert's knowledge should help the judge or jury understand the evidence or decide a fact. Second, their opinions must be based on enough facts or data. Third, their methods should be reliable and scientifically accepted. And fourth, they should have applied these methods correctly to the case. To explain their methods, experts often describe how they reach their conclusions. They might talk about scientific studies, experiments, or analysis they used. This helps the court see if their methods are trustworthy and relevant. Once the expert passes this review, the judge decides if they are qualified to testify. If approved, their opinions are allowed in court. This process acts like a gatekeeper, making sure only qualified and credible experts speak. It keeps the trial fair and prevents misleading or unfounded opinions from influencing the case. In short, expert witnesses are qualified through a mix of education, experience, and a court-supervised check of their skills and methods. This process makes sure their testimony can genuinely help the court understand complicated issues and reach fair decisions.